What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. 7-Eleven Slurpee Day. 38.63 is your low. 3900 is your high. So small overnight range. Upside. We would need a cash open above 3900. Above 3914 is more bullish. Above 3922 is even more bullish. Crazy. I got a naked POC at 30 or 23. 50 is the big number, so we need a sustained close above 39.50 to get this into any sort of bullish action to get that up. I've heard targets at 39.80. Again, right now, I don't see it. So we'd need a lot, some movement up to get this up on the cash open at least. 75, 77 is going to be my over-under. Above it, cautiously bullish. Below it, cautiously bearish. I'm bullish right now. I don't know where this is going. We're down 17 points or so. So downside 63, obviously 70 or 57 to 50. Yeah, 50 is going to be a decent number, but this 50 level should hold, or not should hold. Should be an interesting level. The 33.32 is going to be a big level. What I think will hold today, if we do have a bear, is 38.01, 38.08. That level should be defended to stave off these three. That death wall of 37.44 to 41. A break of that, we see new lows. So I would assume if we come down, that the 33.32 would be your first stop, 25, and then the 8.08, 8.01. But I would assume that the 801, 808 would be defended to kind of keep this in posterity. Or we could just have a solid just consolidation day for a move for tomorrow. I don't know. Hourly, your pivot right there is 2 points below the open, basically 3,900. 39.30 and 39.52. That's important because we could hit the 50 level, go up above it, and then fall right back down. That's some shenanigans I could see happening. 38.75, 38.4. So we'd have to go through S3 to get to 3800. That's why I think that if we got down there, it would definitely be defended. But again, here's your, a lot of volume here in the 35. So that 38.25 is still going to be a decent level to watch. Here's my daily. Here's my fun, my little line. To get above that, now we're at 39.40. So 39.50, 39.40, sustained above 39.40 and 39.50 on a close, we could kind of change this transition and this channel down. As of now, I don't see that, but again, anything can happen. Here's something fun: this is a quarterly ES chart with a 5 EMA. This was brought to attention by a friend of mine. So you can see how it becomes resistance. This is the 08. And then support during bullishness. So here we are. It was support, broke support. Now we're below it. But interesting is we would need to finish this quarter out below this for it to be officially a bear market. So if you're playing this game, we wouldn't be an official bear market bear market because we've only had technically one quarter down, not two. But that's room for debate. Doesn't matter anyway. So 41, 44, 45 basically is a decent level. I would watch that as well. But that's what 5 below my 39.50 goal. So that's kind of where we're at. We sustained above 14 and 22 to get up to that 50 area. I could see the 50 being overshot by 4 or 5 points and then reverse. But to stay in bullish, we need to close above 39.40, 39.75, 77 over under. The 32.33 is going to be a big level. 25 is going to be a big level, and then the 38.08 and 38.01. Let's go to the euro. So euro almost went to parity. It's been talked about today. We're going to go to parity. Parity is one even. Now, the question is that going to be a stop reverse once we hit it, like achieved, or is it going to be a dam and once it breaks, we lose the euro, and then we start to travel down? That's going to put the dollar into an extremely bullish position. So that should add weight to equities and commodities. But again, we will see. We live in interesting times, and all the macros are starting to act differently. But please keep this on your radar, because if that loses parity, that could affect our markets up here. What do we got? Fed or 3-year inflation expectations. I don't know what that is. And then New York Fed President John Williams discussed moves away from LIBOR. I don't think there's really anything worthy of worry here, but I don't know. Just know that those numbers are going to come out. So that's kind of it. I won't be here tomorrow morning. I've got to leave right now for work, but this is kind of what I'm watching. Please watch the euro, and the levels I posted should be pretty proficient. Again, we could stay and just consolidate today and then have a move tomorrow, or we could get a surprise. I don't know. We do have a panic cycle in the dollar index today, so please watch the euro. Maybe we get a ridiculous reversal, or maybe we lose parity. But there should be some sort of more of a move today than what we've seen already, which is already substantial considering it's moved, 770. Anyway, that is it. Please be safe and enjoy your Slurpee day.